Hi guys, and here we have with us the new World Cup edition kit bags by SS. So plenty of new stuff also we're expecting around World Cup time, so we should expect new stuff from all the major brands. And best part about SS also we should appreciate is that they are very keen to adapt on what's new in the market and what's latest, and they adapt and get new stuff very fast. So coming to these kit bags, these are the no nonsense kit bags which have all the basics sticked right. A very sober design, comes in 3 colors. We've got 2 in front of us. My favorite is the silver one. It's even more sober than the blue. I'll take you through the kit bag right away. There are plenty of space to show, and I'll show you. We'll go with the bats first. So it has got a separate bat compartment here, and it holds 3 of your bats, again pretty comfortably. So something very nice also what we've got today is this Super Select. We're gonna review this also very soon. This is a fantastic Super Select, and we've also got this 7th finisher today, so we're gonna show you this as well. So these are the 3 bats here. Again, this is the main compartment here, which comes with a lock. All these added accessories are also there. You get a lock here, you get a this power bank supply here. So again, it's top notch, it's top of the line, so it has got all the gimmicks as well. And this is your helmet compartment, which can take up your helmet here. The main compartment you can open up 2 ways. Either you can open it from the top. This is your main compartment from the top opening, and we've added plenty of stuff here. I'll show you. This is a wicket keeping gloves we've added, and we've added, I guess, 2 pair of batting gloves. This is your wicket keeping leg guard inside, so it has got plenty of space. This is the 2nd pair of batting gloves and your batting leg guards. What next we've got is your thigh pads, and that's about it. So that's everything what you'll be looking for in a personal kit bag. Again, I'll show you how to open the kit bag from the center also. So this is the center opening of the kit bag, and so this is the same compartment from where we've took out the stuff. And then you've got your separate shoe compartment here. So this can again hold up, I guess, up to 2 pair of your shoes. So this is 1 pair of shoes, and we can even add another pair kind of shoes here. So this is the space here, and then we've got 2 large side pockets which we haven't basically used. We can even use them to put in at least your wicket keeping leg guards. I'll show you that space also. So this is again a large pocket here, and it can easily put in your wicket keeping leg guards, and using that you can add more space on the main compartment, maybe more batting gloves and stuff. This is on both sides, and you've got a this is on both sides, and then you get another. This is your basically power bank supplies, cable and stuff here. So this is about the side pockets here, and then we've got a mesh pocket in the bottom, 1 bottle holder here. I'll just show you. This is your bottle holder, and then you get this mesh pocket here, and that's about it. Coming to the quality of the bag, it's top notch again. This is hard here at the top for the helmet protection, and this is again same stuff is there at the bottom. At the rear, I'll just show you. So this is all which is really good here, and that is when I say that they adapt very quickly to what market requires. So this is all hard even here, this is hard even here, and this is a handle here. This could have been a better cushioned handle, but again it's fine, and you can tuck in the straps inside also, both. And then you've got really big tractor wheels here, and again this is very hard plastic here as well. So stuff wise, it's very premium, and again it looks very compact, but again it can hold up everything you wish to. So this is the new World Cup edition. Plenty of SS logos here. This is an SS logo here, there's an SS logo here. You get a Sunridges branding on the right hand side, and you get a World Cup. So this is your World Cup edition duffel. So this is what it is, guys. This is retailing at 7,400. and we've got these two colors shipping worldwide. Thanks and cheers.